There, Mr. Sutton here, bringing you the Algebra 2 7-4 Part 1 homework solutions on adding and subtracting rational expressions. In this one, we're focusing on situations where we have the same denominator. For this problem, we have the same denominator, 4x in both cases, so let's just add the numerators and keep the denominator. This will be 20 over 4x, and then we can reduce this a little bit. 20 over 4 reduces to a 5, so 5 over x. On this problem, since we have the same denominator, let's just go ahead and add the numerators. So we have 3x squared plus 6x up there. And I can actually factor the numerator if I wanted to. I could take out a 3x. That would leave me with an x plus 2. Since that's not going to cancel the denominator, though, there's no need to actually do that. For this problem, since I have the same denominator, I'm just going to go ahead and subtract my numerators. So we have 9 minus 4, which is 5, over 16x squared, and there's not really anything else we can do on this one. For this problem, I'm going to go ahead and subtract my numerators because my denominators are already the same. So we have 9 minus 2x over x plus 1, and there's nothing you can really take out or factor or reduce, so this one is all finished. For this problem, we have x plus 3 as a common denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and merge my numerators together. So that's 5x plus 15 up there. Now I can factor 5x plus 15. If I take a 5 out of that, that leaves me with x plus 3, which I can then cancel with the denominator. So I actually can go a little further here. So that ends up equaling 5. But now since I canceled out this x plus 3, I'm going to have to write x does not equal negative 3 in my answer so that people don't accidentally plug something in that would have made the original undefined. On this one, since I have the same denominator, I'm going to subtract my numerators, so 4x squared minus 1. And can I factor and reduce this at all? Well, 4x squared minus 1, that's an a squared minus b squared kind of situation. So I can actually square root that and do a plus minus parentheses. That would be, let's see here, 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. And it turns out that these 2x minus 1s can cancel out. So 2x plus 1 is my most reduced answer here. Since I canceled out these 2x minus 1s, I'm going to have to write x does not equal, let me see, if I add 1 and divide by 2, so x should not equal 1/2. And that's it for this one.